Some of you. Here's Matthew, and we're in the train park. In fact, here comes a train now. Daddy and Timothy have gone off to hop on. This is one of the little trains coming past, as you can see, very cute, and we've ridden in. There's our little bike trailer. I'm going to crawl up your tummy to get to it. Oh, aren't you cute? Yes. Hello. Oops. Hello. Alright, I think another train is going to come around in a minute. We can get a shot of Daddy and Timothy. Hang on. Ah, he's almost reached me. Yes, there it is. Oh, isn't that cute? Hey! There's Timothy and Daddy having fun. Yahoo! Oh, here they go. Hi! Hi! Oh, look at it go. It's so cool. Hello, darling! What fun!
You're putting me from behind Paul, so very good. Thank you.
Fantastic.
Have you got to pull forwards after Paul went?
We've got authentic ash appearing on us. It's fantastic. And this is the little path, and you can see everybody. I'll just show you on the other side here. So, you know, a reasonable clip. We're just sitting on the back here. Choo-choo! That's right! Choo-choo! See a few of the other engines. Here we are, it's the waiting station. They look cool. Oh yes, here we go. There's a workshop there with all the engines. This is a very cool one. Look at that. So cool. And here we are back at the train station. All off. And this was the little engine that we rode. And here he is, stoking it up. And we've got little coal box here. Yeah, stop. Look, sweetie. Little gauge and everything. How cool is that?
Wonderful.
Unbelievable. Here they go. Hi! Hello! Fantastic.